A major reason why people do female genital mutilation on the girl child is because they feel it's going to keep her modest or chaste for her husband. Allow me say this. The female life is more than just getting married and having children. Yes, it is far more than that. You need to be able to know who you are and love yourself and achieve the few things you want to achieve with your life. Marriage is important. Having children, if you want to, is important. But then life is more than that two possibilities. So when they say, let's keep you decent, what about the boy? So you're not talking to your boys, but you're talking to the girls. And if all girls are virgins, what are the boys? Okay, no, don't worry. Oh, I'm coming for the boys too because you cannot be overprotecting the girls and then you're leaving your boys to be suffering. Because most of you have overtrained your girls and then your boys are untrained. Your boys don't know how to wash plates, they don't know how to sweep, they don't know how to clean their rooms, they don't know how to care for their loved ones, they don't know how to even boil rice, they don't know how to go for errands. They can't even walk you, their mother, their father. They cannot walk you from the gate to your room door if you are ill. They cannot do that because they've not learned to be empathetic. They've not learned to take responsibility to care for those around them. Mm, yeah. So, like I said, the major reason why they do that is because they want to create the girl child to be chaste for the man. And then you forget that there are factors that are behind this. What are the factors? From the angle of a public health professional, what factors could be responsible? One, environment. Two, the individual's values. Three, has this person ever passed through a trauma before? Was she or he ever sexually abused? If you don't know, sexual abuse victims too could end up either really having high libido or having very low one. And either way, it could make her or him very calm or very wild. None of it. Hmm. Yeah, I will stop there. If you have more, add it in the comment section. But listen, public health is to prevent, it's preventive medicine. So, my own duty is to tell you the things and expect you to understand, not expect you, so also help you to understand that we're trying our best to prevent these things from happening. It is important.